Oh yes, good day Nigerians, good day Africa, and good day to all Tibetians, and good day to all Netkim Megalink TB3 Education members. We thank you all once again. We wish all of us a wonderful Christmas in advance and have a wonderful New Year to come. So today I will want to address some issues, yes, pertaining to the TBC exchange seminar, our international seminar that is about to come up in Nigeria. It has been all by the grace of God. We've been able to convince our sponsors from UK, US, China, and so on, even in Kenya here, because the issue is this: we Nigerians are really lacking a lot, but nevertheless we give God the glory, because when it comes to international firms, when it comes to anything international, they don't want to hear anything about Nigeria. They don't want to believe Nigerians. They don't want to have anything to do with Nigerians. But nevertheless, we thank God for the good work so far. We've been able to convince them that at least Nigerians, we are also good. Yes, we still have the good ones in Nigeria, and we thank God for that. Right now, about the seminar that is upcoming, I will want to address some issues talking about the training fee. The training fee. Some people are saying that the fee is too much, is this, is that. Please, I want to let you people note this. The training fee is 15,000 naira for the newly upcoming members that wants to participate in the seminar. Either you are a Tibetan or you are not a Tibetan. If you want to partake in that program, it is 15,000 naira for registration, which is equivalent to $42 in BTC for those that are paying outside Nigeria. Yes, in BTC it is $42. But this is what is going to happen, because we do promise our members that once you've registered with the Netkim Megalink TBC Trade Exposition, you are eligible of benefiting more of anything that comes out of the company. Yes. So what we are going to do now, and what that is how it's going to be, all our members are set to register with a sum of 10,000 naira. Yes, all our members are set to register with the sum of 10,000 naira. So if you are a member and you have registered with 5,000 naira, you have our ticket, or you want to, one way or the other, you are a member of Netkim Megalink TBC Television, and you must be in the seminar. That is one thing. You must be in the seminar because it has a dynamic method. You must come to that seminar, and your registration fee is 10,000 naira. Why? Because why I said you must come to the seminar is this: on the seminar day, with the meeting that was held with me and our sponsors, they will be coming down with a card. That card is just like an ID card, but on that ID card, there will be a code number on it, and the code number that will be on your card is different from the code number that will be on my card. And that code number is called the TBC exchange code number. That number, it is what you will be using to exchange your TBC to cash anytime you want to exchange your TBC with them. They did this because really they don't trust Nigeria, but it's all well and good. They did this just to reduce the scam rate, because there is nothing that cannot be pirated, and they believe that mere doing this it will reduce the scam rate. Yes, so that card, all of us must have it. So if you say you're not coming for the seminar, that means there is no how you want to participate in the exchange, because the seminar is basically on how to exchange our TBC card. Although there are some other things that they're going to teach us. They will teach us on how to buy goods online, how to buy vehicles online, how to buy motorbikes online, how to buy foodstuffs, how to buy many things online, electronics. That is what they will teach us. They are also giving us a bonus of a Bitcoin mining software, which personally Netkim Megalink, I have been using the version 1 of that of the Bitcoin mining software, and it's working fine with me. but I'm happy that they are coming with it, because I personally need that second one. It's going to be a great one. So I also need that one also. So we must all come, most especially we that have registered with Netscape Megalink. Please and please, let's partake in this upcoming seminar to get at least that exchanging card. Please and please, let's go. They will come down to Nigeria with the card. I'm not the one going to give you the card. They will come down with the card. You just make your payment. They've confirmed that you pay, and they will give you a card, and that code on it will be valid immediately. You have the card, they will activate the code so that you'll be able to exchange your TBC to cash. So that is it. Then talking about, I have many issues here. Talking about accommodation for those that are coming from far places, people that are coming, because the seminar is going to hold in where the headquarters of Netscape Megalink is, which is Osogbo, Osun State, Nigeria. Yes, I'm proud to be an Osun State man. That is it. Accommodation for those that are coming from far places, people that are coming from outside Osogbo, Port Harcourt, Abuja, Kaduna, Ghana, Port Novo, US, UK, wherever you're coming from. Accommodation for those of you, we are working on a hotel that will not be that expensive for that 3 days, that it will be avoidable for you. So immediately you're making your payment, and you're sending your payment proof to the number that is provided. Please and please send us your reservation. Tell us you need an accommodation, and we'll work on it. We'll give you the account, we'll give you the details and how it's going to be. Please, for those of you that are coming from far places. And let's note this: we don't have any agent pertaining the registration. All you need to do is to pay into the company's account. That's all. And for those of you that are coming from far places, that want to register from outside Nigeria, that's the foreigners. If you are coming from for those that are paying outside Nigeria, please, I want to let us note this. Let's note this. You're paying in Bitcoin, yes, and you're paying $42 worth of Bitcoin, and the payment wallet remains. It will not change to avoid the scam. That is where scammers can scam you people. So let's note that our Bitcoin wallet will not change. The Bitcoin wallet starts with 168 and letter Y, small letter Y, and it ends with capital D, V, capital V, capital K, and small letter S. Note that our Bitcoin wallet will not change. It starts with 168Y and it ends with DVKS. Please always check that. Always check that. If you have been sent a Bitcoin wallet to pay into for the seminar, please ignore, check it very well and confirm it is the right Bitcoin address. And for those that are paying in Nigeria, you're paying into the corporate account, which is Netscape Megalink Global Resources Company. Note that Netscape Megalink Global Resources Company, and note that the hyphen between the mega and the link must be there. You get it? It must be there, and you pay into that UB account. That is it. Netscape Megalink Global Resources Company. It's a UB account 1021639392. That's the account number for those of us that are paying into our UBA account. Yes, that is it. As I'm having another issue here, okay, that as we said, we don't have any agent pertaining the registration. Yes, we don't have any agent. So for more inquiries, please, you have our numbers there. You can always contact us. The CEO number is there. My number is there. You can contact me direct to my WhatsApp. You can chat on me. Is there. It's 0706272749140. That's the number of the CEO. Yes, and the number of the manager of Netscape Megalink is 09034493381. Yes, that is the number of the manager of Netscape Megalink TBC Trade Exposition. The number of the PA Netscape Megalink TBC Trade Exposition is 09056336603. That is his number. You can always contact with him. Yes, and the secretary of Netscape Megalink TBC Trade Exposition, her number is 08151987543. Please note that. Don't give room for scammers. You can also contact our sponsors. Their number are there, the foreign number is there, there is also number. So please note all this information very well. I will not want any of us to fall the victim of any scam any longer in the name of Netscape TBC Trade Exposition. Thank you very much, and stay blessed. I wish every one of us a wonderful Christmas and a blessed New Year 2019. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.